Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video I bring some new ideas of cupcakes that you make this Valentine's Day for your loved ones. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will like this collection. In this video, I bring some new and fine collection of different types of Valentine Day cupcakes that you can make for your loved ones and increase your joy or happiness making these types of cupcakes for your loved ones. As you have seen in this video, I will bring some new ideas of cupcakes. Previously I shared some ideas of Valentine cakes, so I bring some new idea for my viewers to these Valentine cupcakes. You can use these decoration ideas for making such types of cupcakes. I bring these fine ideas for my viewers as some people are fond of baking and they have a good experience in baking items, or they can make these types of pretty or delicious ideas by using their baking skills, and they can also use these unique ideas of decorating such types of cupcakes for their loved ones on this special Valentine's Day to celebrate it with more happiness or pleasure. As you have seen in this video, I bring some different ideas of cupcake decorations, whether different types of creams can used on it. You can use to write different types of words with thick creams on it, and you can also decorate these cupcakes with different colorful creams, as you have seen in this video. I hope you will love this fine collection and increase sweetness in your life by making such types of ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas or collection for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section. I will work on it to fulfill your request. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, do mention in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries in the comment section. And viewers, please share this video on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. Your positive support helps me to grow my channel and bring motivation to me. And viewers, keep sharing this video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.